stuff.
What goodies did you bring? Some batteries, maybe?
Indeed, some good old batteries. Yeah, I'll leave
Nice.
them on the ground if you want.
That's all good. Yeah, if you just leave them out on the ground out there, that would be nice. Are you just passing through, or do you want to say hi?
I just came to say hello. Here are the batteries, plus flashlight, if ever you want those.
Ooh, flashlight. More technology.
I thought I had some more, but yeah, that's pretty much all I got. 2 batteries and a flashlight.
Ooh, thank you.
If, if ever I pass by and I have some more, I'll make sure to drop it off.
That's nice.
Eh,
Because we make sure
anyways.
everybody who passes through pays a little tip, you know.
Yeah,
This
yeah,
is,
yeah,
after all, our lands, you know.
yeah. So, yeah, that's that. Anyways,
That's that.
Who's
I
this?
better get going. Hi, I'm I'm Jack. Well, at least that's what people call me. It's not my
Oh,
real name. I don't
I'm so
really
sorry.
know it, to
What,
be
what,
honest.
what did they call you?
Jack.
Jack. Okay, okay.
Apparently it's like a lost people name, you know?
Yeah, I sometimes use that name.
Yeah, that's what they said I should call me. Myself,
Ow!
me.
Did,
Uh,
did he give us tech? Ow!
He left some batteries on the ground down there.
Ooh, tech?
uh, uh,
And the flashlight, I think.
Yeah,
He gave us
it's
some
universal. It's even better.
tech. Ooh, nice. I'll
Yeah.
put that on the helmet.
Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you, you're helping us reach our goal even faster.
You're welcome. Well, anyways, take care, guys.
Yeah, you too, man.
Oh
Ooh.
God,
Whoo! Sounds like Dam's having some fun.
are those fireworks?
Yeah, special
Okay.
Dam fireworks.
I think I should go see them.
Yeah,
Yeah,
Yeah.
I'll go see the fireworks.
Oh,
Ooh,
so
by the way, can I get the
Tell-
t-shirt?
But it's
I'll
not
get your
tech.
coat.
we
I'll get
give
your
you a
coat.
better jacket. Yeah. Brad, or Vlad, can you go grab one of the coats out
Sure.
of the tents?
'Cause I really like that t-shirt.
Yeah, I like it too.
Ooh, more fireworks.
God, those fireworks! I really want to go see them.
Yeah.
Yeah, you will.
I think they're gonna keep firing all night, I think.
Yeah, yeah.
Once they stop, they never stop again. I got some hard time sleeping down here. Up here, I mean.
I bet you do.
So loud and noisy. If it's not done from Gorka.
I don't always like noise. Oh, that's why. You see this here? You see this? Do you know what gun this is?
I think this would be quite nice, man.
I don't know what it is. Yeah, sure. Sure, I can take that.
You know what it is now?
Thank you so much.
Um,
Oh, you look nice now.
I mean, I did like my t-shirt, but I'll just find another one. You know. I don't know what it is, no. I don't really use guns. I don't know much, to be honest.
Oh, you don't use guns.
People-
Ooh.
Oh God.
Ooh.
It's a very quiet
Fireworks.
gun.
Nice.
Very quiet gun.
I guess I missed it. 'Cause I didn't see an explosion.
Exactly. I let all of my friends do all the loud noise. I just stay quiet.
You wanna see a special type of firework?
Yeah, sure. Wow. That was epic.
Wasn't that beautiful?
It was
It
indeed.
hurt my ears though. Kinda loud.
Yeah.
They might have some more fireworks down in Gorka if you wanna go take a look.
I'll definitely go take a look. I love fireworks. Anyways. Take care, guys.
Take care,
you too, Frank.
Jack.
I hope to see you again.
You
Thanks
too.
for
Just
the
remember,
fireworks.
remember some batteries if you come by again.
Yeah,
Yeah,
we
yeah.
only have 170 of them now. We need more.
I bet you do.
Okay,
That's
off
a
you
small
go.
amount. Goodbye.
Bye bye.
Bye-bye. Stay safe.